Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alondra, and this is WhimsyDesigns. So, today I have been inspired by Mother Nature. I am obsessed with the beauty that is fall and the colors on the trees. Oh my gosh, if I could just drive home and just stop on the highway and just stare at the beautiful trees, I would, but you know, safety first. But I just, it gives me so much joy. So I need to paint something. I'm taking a picture of my neighbors. Yep, not being creepy at all. And they have a barn, so I am going to paint the site that I see with the barn and the trees and bushes in front of it, but then mix that with a site from the, I think it was from the highway. Was it from the highway? It was from the highway. For site from the highway. This is a very rough sketch of what I'm working with. We see the barn, we see the trees in the background and how I'm kind of figuring out the rows that they make. The trees in front of the barn, and they're also kind of in rows, but this is more like tall grass, flower, weeds, and then the tall trees in front. So I'm trying to blend both images together. I've got no idea what's happening over here. I might just kind of pretend that the photo ends here. I'm not quite sure yet, but this is my rough outline. I should finish sketching, but my anxiousness to paint says stop and paint. So I'm gonna listen to that gremlin instead. Should I probably listen to the sketch gremlin? Yeah, but who wants to follow rules? Grab your wine. This is more of a wine cocktail, which is why it looks kind of like pee and or poison, but it is neither. It's quite delicious, but possibly poisonous, so. Drink up, witches. It is spooky season. Let's paint. So if you're liking this video so far, please give that little thumbs up, a little like. And if you like these types of videos where I just paint or craft or sew, or you want to see something a little more Halloweeny coming up, because it is, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am so thankful for everyone that has subscribed so far, and I'm growing much more than I thought I ever would. So continue to support me so that I can continue making wonderful videos for you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. So I'll have to admit, these background trees are not my favorite thing about the painting. I really love how the barn turned out, but I will definitely spend more time just practicing with trees and making them more abstract but still detailed at the same time. But I will let you guys be the judge. Do you like these trees, or do you think I could use a little bit more improvement?